As you can see, there's no traffic on the road, which is usually busy. What you usually also don't see is neighbors driving their Good morning, day after Christmas, December 26th, 2022. You know, officially day 4 of the blizzard, but when we look outside, you know, I'm not one to call this a blizzard, right? Here we got some traffic driving down the street. Like, this could be a typical day in Buffalo. We got some snow flurries, maybe a foot of snow overnight, so you get the snow blower out, you clean off the driveway, clean off the cars. But what is different is that the airport's still closed, the grocery stores are still closed, there's still a driving ban. As you can see, there's no traffic. There's been snowmobiles and other things going up and down the street. And it's not really an official like cleanup mode, because usually cleanup means you're like going to your brother's, your sister's, your parents' house, your kid's house, and helping clean up your driveways, but you can't because there's a driving ban. And usually you see a lot of dump trucks with front end loaders cleaning up all the snow along the side. This drifted a lot, so usually you'd see front end loaders with big snow blowers because the plows can't throw the snow over the big high snow bank, so they have to cut and throw the snow over the top. But you see none of that, so it's kind of a quasi day. You know, it's weather-wise, it's not a bad day in Buffalo, but everything's kind of like just paused. So today's plan: we're gonna clean up a foot of snow in the driveway, get the cars cleaned up, and see what's next. Oh, it does come up to mention that since the driving ban, they're thinking the airport's probably going to open tomorrow, Tuesday. So we're thinking the driving ban will be lifted by then. So we're planning to take Christmas Eve dinner, Christmas Day brunch, and mother-in-law's birthday, which is today, and put it all into tomorrow evening brunch at dinner time, and see who can make it. All depending on if the travel ban's lifted and if people can get out of side streets. Yeah, this is a county road, so it's usually plowed pretty good, but when we were out the other day, all the side streets are pretty rough yet. I think we're about an hour, and we got the driveway cleared. We're going to move the vehicles and clear out that, and then we got some shoveling to do. But a very light, fluffy, cold snow. I think it's in the teens, so it throws really good. There isn't crap on the bottom, clogging it all up. So a good snow blowing kind of snow. Not good for snowmen, but it is probably good for cross-country skiing. Let's have a look at the base. You can see we have water and ice coming in from underneath the siding. And when we go up, it looks like something's not so good up here. There are heating coils, and I think they're working. It looks like they're working. But somehow the ice is thick and the water is running over the top, coming down underneath that part of the roof, and then behind the siding, coming down behind the siding and hopefully the Tyvek, and coming down here. So if that's all it is, I guess we'll just wait a few more days till it warms up and we'll be all right. But if it's getting behind the wall into the insulation, the studs, and the drywall, then that's a bigger problem. It looks like the heating coils are working, but must be some dam up on the top. So we do have some drippage from there, which I would think should be running down the gutter. We have to get the ladder out and see what's going on.